So these are our old valve with the washer, and the seal, you can see we have a washer here, and we have O-ring here, and we also have O-ring inside there to prevent leaking from here. You can see there's a clip, so you can remove the clip and withdraw this one, and then there's the O-ring inside. So I have just recently changed the O-ring here, the washer here, and O-ring inside there. So this is still working valve. So why taps leaks with the classic old washer type? So actually, if you have this washer old, and your taps were dripping water all the time, and if you have this O-ring old, and the water will leak from here, from the base. If you have the inside O-ring leak, the water will leak from these stems. So that's three possibilities. But if you have this washer good, and this is broken, this is leaking, and inside the washer leaking, and when you have the tap closed, there's no leaking. And if you have the tap open, you will have a leak here, have a leak there. But if you have a three washer O-ring and another O-ring all leaking, and they're going to be always leaking from all the position, dripping from the base, from the stem all the time. So when you change the seal, change all of them, the washer, the O-ring, and inside there, unless you are sure you recently changed them and there is no leak. So sometimes we only change this washer, but it is better just to change washer O-ring and O-ring inside that for the stem.